My name is Emma Hurley, and my partner on this project is Davidson. Our project is called Confidence Kits. Confidence Kits aims to provide elementary-age students with fully packed kits for basic hygiene because we believe that proper hygiene care and access to that is directly tied to a child's ability to learn and be confident at school. My senior year of high school, I had the honor to be class president, and I was looking for ways to get plugged in with the school and collaborating with guidance, and we discovered that hygiene poverty is a really big issue where I'm from, and that project kind of took shape as a care closet at the high school. The need for hygiene care started way earlier than high school. By the time students are in 9th, 10th grade, they've carried years of shame surrounding this hygiene poverty, and this project really aims to address that. I want to start early, telling students that they're cared for and that we love them, and I want them to feel confident. We have partners already, and this seed money would allow us to launch the program to the whole school.